All right. Well, I pulled something that we don't have.
Yeah.
So, go for it, Mr. Tough Guy that thinks you've got the touch. Okay. I like it. Decisive. Just clicked. Just chose. I dig it.
Alright, we're just on a debate to see who has the magic touch.
Well, I'm the last one that got something new, so
Yeah.
just saying.
Yeah.
Just saying. Just saying.
He's bragging.
But I am. Got Legendary Mickey. And what are you gonna get?
I don't know.
Rare Minnie, we have her. Aww. She's adorable. But you don't have the magic touch.
No!
Somebody send him the magic touch back. Mickey needs to win.
Thank you!
Smarty pants. See you tomorrow.